Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Salesflare, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change the primary email in your Salesflare account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change the primary email in your Salesflare account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably have multiple emails, and sometimes you want the majority of your emails to go out from one address. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Salesflare dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instruction there as well. But I've logged into my Salesflare, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to set the primary email in your Salesflare, here on the left side, you're going to click on this button at the very bottom left. It kind of looks like a thermometer. Once you do that, you're going to see another menu pop up, and you want to scroll down until you see this one right here, email settings. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the email addresses you have connected to your Salesflare. So you want to go ahead and just scroll down until you see the email address you want to make prime. Once you found it, you want to look for this button here called Make Primary. Click on there. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. You'll see a little pop-up in green at the very bottom right, confirming that you changed the primary email address in your Salesflare account. The pop-up goes by pretty quick. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change the primary email address in your Salesflare account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.